special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 2:15 p.m. At 1:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 nautical miles south of Montrose Harbor, moving northeast at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and large hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Montrose Harbor. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. The following is a flood advisory from the National Weather